Bro, he's trying to, he's trying to flex on us. By the way, guys, if we find a shiny, we're catching it and using it. We don't give a fuck. Bro, we kind of been using the Nuzlocke a little bit to catch love discs for heart skills.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Dennis,
Hey,
is there an EV resetter?
yes, you can buy that in the secret
Okay, so
base.
we're gonna eventually reset our EVs and then re-EV train our Mons, but not right now. We're broke. We don't have enough money. It does so much. Wait, I just see Night Slash. Oh, that's lit. Karate Dude has a throw, a Gallade, and a sock. Yeah, Damien has like a level 45 Luxray or some shit. Let me check. He has a level. He has a level 44 Delta Charizard, a level 43 Shaymin, and a level 43 Metang. He's draining kiss him.
No, I just got interrupted. Sorry about that.
I think my RMT goes up today.
Oh, the Veil one?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Be sure to give it a like, I guess, on Spellbound.
Sealette has been writing it for like a month. He's a real one.
Damn. Must be one hell of a like polished RMT. If he's been working on it for 1 month.
Sealette said it will be the best RMT of Gen 7.
Hey.
The next dude has a below 41 Magnus on. But I wouldn't stay in with T. Just in case we miss. It's a girl.
Oh yeah, now since you're on dark mode, you're gonna see what's about to happen to this hiker. I'm not gonna spoil. No,
Wait, there's hella girls there and he's gonna get raped. Can I switch places with the hiker?
no, you don't want to switch places with the hiker. Just wait and see what happens.
Well, I hear that you two found something very interesting while mining.
He's go- he's gonna get his weeks, man. Just watch.
Scum. Bro, why are they such asshole? Wait.
But wait, it's not over yet. Wait. Don't like skip the dialogue to
Why did he kill his whole family?
he killed. He got destroyed.
Bro, no.
Yeah, they're fucking hard. They're fucking heartless. They are fucking heartless. This is dark mode, my guys.
Man said knock knock, who's there?
Less
Boom.
dead men tell no tales. If you look, yeah, there's still the.
Goodbye. Wait, I don't think we've caught up. Oh, we did. Fuck. Just okay. I want Axew back so bad.
Wait, Seal, I'm. It's quite the off topic, but like I was like looking at the tournaments for Edon's Mogon, and I saw that an LC tour just like went up. It's an LC tour in which like every round a certain type is banned. Oh, nice. Okay.
But
Mm-hmm.
he's gonna get blown away.
I really I don't want I don't want to be mean, but I really do hope something bad happens to Damien, like during the story, because it's so annoying. Like there's gotta be a reason if he was abandoned by his parents.
Yeah, bro, he thinks he's the chosen one or some shit. It's why.
Nah. Mm-hmm. Look at it. Look at it. It looks like a kind of a hobo. Wait, Crawdaunt. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oof. Yeah. Is he gonna leave? Is he gonna die? Ooh. Ooh. This is the orb. It's super effective. Hustle boosted. Goodbye. Stab. Goodbye.
That's my boy T in the cut.
TB stunting on this.
Literally in the cut.
Mm. Okay. He's probably gonna send Charizard. Oh, never mind. You have to switch. You have. Wait. Okay. Oh.
Count Sheep posted his RMT.
Probably Blastoise. It's either Blastoise or it's Snorlax because he has steel coverage. Like the worst he can do to Blastoise is Zen Headbutt, I guess. But yeah, but it's no, but it's not. But yeah, it's not a Mega Metagross or anything, so it's weak. Oh, it's literally ooh, Scary Face. Mm-hmm. Wait, that's
It's DD special.
yeah. He's whack. No, he has Shadow Ball and oh, Luxray. Ooh, abort. Now you probably have to go. I wanna say Snorlax because it might have like superpower or something for D-Club, and you don't wanna risk shit love. Yeah, I fell up. It looks
I'm
like a
pretty
mess.
sure Fatlop beats his
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Thunderfink is gonna do 10 damage. Okay, a bit more, I guess. No, exactly 10 after lefties. Am I Jesus? Wait, don't hit yourself. Don't hit yourself. Okay, wait. Don't. Nice. Do you have any like? No, you don't have full heals like this early in the game.
Yeah, you do. Go to your bag. You have one.
Okay, never mind. Use that. Use that if you have it. Mm-hmm.
Just kill it now.
God damn, those moves don't do nothing. Unfair mon. I'll keep saying. Oh no. +5. +5. Please, Fatal. No. Fuck. It's +5. It's +5. Oh. Yeah, they did less than I
We
expected.
can legit heal up and then attack again.
Mm-hmm. They did less than. Mm-hmm. It could have been worse for sure. I mean, once you roar, swagger and roar. Wait, yeah. He probably is. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna check immediately. Like, give me just a second, cause I have the. Let me see. Let me see. Red Eye Cavern. Okay. On normal difficulty. So the Luxray has Swagger, Roar, Crunch, and Thunderfang.
Yeah, we know all its moves already. He used them all.
Yeah. The Zard has DD, Dragon Breath, Shadow Ball, and Screech. Yeah, he's DD special for some reason. Yeah, fellow like 6-0s. Outside of Shaymin, I guess, because it's Woodhammer is gonna take a while to kill Shaymin, but. Yeah. Fedlop 6-0s literally. Because every special move from Zard is gonna bounce off. Yeah, it's such a good. I might actually have to grab one for my own Nuzlocke. No. I did not expect it to be so good. Wait.
We're gonna do like 20, bro. It's fine.
Thunderfang. Okay, they did. Oh, nice. Wait.
We have to switch. If we hit ourselves, we die.
Fake focus sash. I see. Yeah. It's so funny because I'm looking at all the different like teams that the rival can have depending on your starter, and if you get like a different starter, he can have like a choice banded EV. Yeah, choice banded adaptability double edge.
I think we should heal our paralysis.
For sure. No.
Yeah, this is gonna do nothing.
Yup.
Yeah. Now you could just spam Woodhammer. Now you could just synth.
Yeah. Damien might just be like god awful. Ooh. So much for the like chosen one. He's so bad.
Bro, he's Screech DD special.
It's to help the.
Why is Fat Lob so good?
It's amazing. Screech is probably to help the Crawdaunt sweep in the back.
No.
Yeah, it doesn't. Wait. A crit. What? No. Yeah,
It's gonna
3K. God damn.
That's Fat Lob, ladies and gentlemen. Bro,
Yeah,
and
that
we
was.
took like no recoil at all.
This Pokemon is unfair.
I wouldn't call it unfair. I'm just saying it's kind of fire.
No, it's like it's unfair how good it is, like in that sense.
fact that you the fact that you could get it for free is what's unfair about it.
Mm.
Yeah, thanks for your help with that, Damien. I really
Yeah.
appreciate
Okay, never mind. I take that back. It's not only awful. It might actually be a bit of like a retard.
it. Oh, we're also gonna get a flag on it real quick.
Oh baby.
I think it's around here. A sec, I'm checking.
By the way, I was lied to about Mega Flygon's ability. It doesn't receive stab on every sound based move, but like every sound based moves is boosted. So it's not as fire, but like it's still kind of fire. Cause it gets boom burst, it gets a new move in Insurgence. I think it's called Dragon Voice or something, which is a special dragon move, which is sound based.
All right. Well,
Mhm.
it's by the exit, so we gotta go find the exit. We might as well fight him. Our Mons need to be like level 50 anyways. I don't know. Just go. I'm too lazy to look it up.
Slow.
Anyone notice that Scyther's never missed a move?
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't like start missing when it counts.
Bitch, I'm still in the cut. Rotom T. Are you sure we shouldn't heal up?
Wait.
Yeah, you're cutting this shit too close. You better break out the hyper potion right now.
Yeah.
What if he stone edged us and we just died? Ejima. Do do do. Underwater spa. Do do do.
No, it's normal.
Because I just woke up. It's like 7 and it's 8 in the
No,
morning.
it can do like anything crazy to you. It's a Stantler.
Just go to just. All right, sure.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry about that. Random like motorcycles going crazy on the street. Oops. I should have muted earlier.
Just pair this, man. We need the levels. The next gym leaders Pokemon are level 49, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I'm pretty sure this gets crunch. Let me check. It gets Astonish.
Mm.
Nah, we'll eat.
Astonish can also flinch. Nice. Oh,
What the fuck?
just that the blame doesn't lie. You're not the one to blame.
Did you see what the Did you see what the hiker said? He said my parents wanted a girl.
Oh my god. Yeah. Some of the dialogues are actually fire.
All right, so keep going. No, yeah.
My parents were poor hiker. Hikers like
I feel bad, bro. We dicked him
they're
down.
being bullied throughout this whole episode. First, the poor guy loses his whole family and his life. Now this
It's
guy is
down there. It's down there. But first, dick down the hiker with Fat.
hashtag hikers life matters in the comments, please.
Bro, all the hikers are getting blown away. Your parents wanted a girl, but I'm also sure your parents didn't want you to be a fat fuck. But alas, you are what you are. Shout out how parents wanted a girl too.
Wait, I have a philosophical kind of question for you guys. If you are what you eat, what does Patloop eat usually?
He's a snake.
What?
Nah, bro, he's a cow.
He's a cow, okay. Oh man.
The funny part is you're a girl, so you're telling him to eat your ass. You're also probably like 10 years old.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
This is gonna get O-code by Woodhammer.
Nice. Ingenious maneuvers.
Football.
Mm.
You know, O-code too. I'd heal up though, just in case, because this learns boom. Now we might have died a head smash crit plus recoil. Okay.
Mm.
We need to stock up on hyper potions and shit.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Like once you like have enough money and you can like I'm pretty sure now that all your Pokemon are level 35, whenever you're broke, you can start like doing the deck snap trick with the trainers to stock up, to rack up money. And once you have like enough money, you should actually buy more potion and such. Because you have very little potions, very few potions. So.
Alright, it's down in the corner. It's in the bottom right corner. keep going, keep going, down, down. Okay, so I'm looking at the video, and apparently it's right. You see the corner? Okay, go left 1 step and up 2 steps. Oh, it's right there.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, we can dip now.
Look at look his fat ass Snorlax following you. Can you imagine like having like such a fat Pokemon like breathing on your neck? Keeps getting disrespected. Yup.
End the episode here, guys. It's been about half an hour. We could
Oh,
get
in the game corner, you can get a Delta Pokemon if you have enough like coins or
we
whatever.
could get an IV stone here.
Mm-hmm.
Talk to a man in the house with a shuckle.
Yup.
We could get a bike here.
A bike, yes. In the Pokemon Center, you have
It's
to talk to him.
It's a man in the Pokemon Center.
Yup.
We could also get a Delta Emolga here.
I didn't know about that. I think it's Fire type.
Delta Emolga is gifted to the player by the man who gives them the bicycle sometime after obtaining the bicycle. You can also get a Larvesta if we have a ghost type. A Larvesta.
You can get a Larvesta. Yeah, that's how I got my Larvesta.
Yeah, but I'd rather have Rotom.
Yeah, because Larvesta evolves at level 59.
No, because you need to trade it.
Yup. You actually need to give up on Rotom.
We might come back later. We'll come back later because it would have to be. It's going to be useless to level 60.
Yup. And like some of the good moves, Volcarona has like Bug Buzz and Fiery Dance. You have to teach it through hard scales. So yeah. Yes.